Hello guys, my name is Diego Gonzalez from Payne Insurance Group. Today I'll be talking about some changes being made to Pronto Insurance. All these changes are effective 9/1/2019. The first change they're making is they're adding more options to their physical damage deductible. Now they're going to be offering $250, $500, and $1,000 deductible. In addition to that, they are increasing the maximum age for liability and physical damage vehicles. So now you'll be able to insure a physical damage vehicle that's 40 years old or a liability vehicle that's 50 years old. The last change they're making is that they're increasing their age bracket from 14 to 74. So what that means, the more frequent age changes, the more frequent price changes. So it can increase or decrease your price. Thank you guys for your time. If you have any more questions about these changes, you can call us at 956-832-5600. And you guys drive safe out there.